Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a haul. I recently ordered some things from Ulta, Walgreens, Amazon, and went to TJ Maxx. So today I'm just going to be showing you what I got and my thoughts on these products that I've been using for the past week. Alright, let's get right into this video. Alright, first I ordered 3 things from Ulta, and the first thing that I ordered is the Shea Moisture 100% Pure Argan Oil. I ordered this oil because my hair is bleached and really dry. I just wanted to try out an oil. I've used several different drugstore oils before, but this one, the only ingredient is argan oil, so I really wanted to try this. I have noticed that this stuff it's obviously oil, and if you use too much of it, you can leave the ends of your hair feeling kind of sticky and greasy. So if you do order this, please be sure to use it sparingly. It's pretty strong. The next thing that I ordered from Ulta, the Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. This is a 10-minute exfoliating facial with a pH level of 3.6. This is a mask. It's a peeling solution, so it is going to break down any impurities, dirt, oil, and dead skin cells in your pores. It is this red color. I find that really exciting, and I've seen a lot of people do videos about this stuff. I have used it once. It tingles for about 20 to 30 seconds, but you leave it on for 10 minutes and the tingling soon goes away. I am really excited to continue using this and see the results from it. The next and last thing that I ordered from Ulta is also from The Ordinary, and it is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1%. This is a high-strength vitamin and mineral blemish control. I have been using this for about the past week, every morning and every night. And I believe that it was either this or this that made my skin go through a process that is called skin purging. It looks like a breakout, but really it is just the AHAs and BHAs and this type of acid. There are certain ingredients that accelerate the cell turnover of your skin, and by increasing the cellular turnover of the skin, you are bringing up all that gunk that's in your pores, and you're bringing up to the surface really fast. But that means that it also goes away really fast. So I had a little breakout. It was already in my skin, and we're just bringing it out to the surface and getting rid of it. That went away in a couple of days, but my skin is still fairly dry, which is why I do not have any foundation or face products on my skin right now. It's just gonna stick to the dry patches right now, so my skin's just giving a break, so we're doing a haul this video. It's fine. I am really excited to continue using these products and see what it does for my face texture, my blemishes, pores, and acne scars. So that was it for the Ulta order. Now I'm going to show you what I got from Walgreens. The first thing that I got from Walgreens is the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. I got this acne wash because it is formulated with 2% salicylic acid, and I was really wanting to get the Ordinary Salicylic Acid Serum, which is 2%. But sadly, they are in the middle of reformulating that product, so it is not available. But I did want to still incorporate salicylic acid into my skincare routine to further declog and chemically exfoliate all of that dead skin cells and oil on my face. So I incorporated this face wash that I use in the morning. The next thing that I got from Walgreens is an oil cleanser. I got the Burt's Bees Cleansing Oil with coconut oil and argan oil. Now, I wanted a cleansing oil because normally I just wash my makeup off with a makeup removing face wash. But lately I've been watching a lot of skincare videos, and I've been seeing double cleansing. And double cleansing is where you take a oil or a cleansing balm and you melt your makeup off, and then after that you go in with a cleanser, hence the double cleansing method. I have been using this and it does a really good job at melting your makeup off. I have not tried it on waterproof mascara yet, but I will, and I'm working on a skincare routine, so stay tuned. The last thing that I got from Walgreens is the Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. This is not a new product to me. I actually have an empty right here, and I'm about to open this new one. This is just a good, simple skin moisturizer. It says that it has no harsh chemicals, sulfates, parabens, petroleum dyes, or phthalates. Phthalates? Phthalates. Phthalates. I don't know. But this stuff is just a tried and true for me. I use this stuff every day and every night. Next, moving on to our Amazon order. Okay, first for the Amazon order, I got this Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Face Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. I use this in the morning and mix it in with this and put it on my face, which is the only thing that is on my skin right now. It is very, very important to incorporate a sunscreen just every day. Just wear sunscreen. Please wear your SPF. This is going to ensure that you do not get sunspots or premature aging, and also helps prevent skin cancer. So please wear your SPF. The next skincare item that I ordered from Amazon is the... I am not going to know how to say this, okay, but I'm going to try my best, okay? It's Japanese, so please forgive me. The Hadalabo, and then it's something else. It's like Hadalabo something. Everything will be linked down below, so if you do want to purchase this, I believe it's $8.99 from Amazon. Check the description box below. This is a foaming face wash. I believe that this is formulated with hyaluronic acid, and this was recommended in a Dr. Dre video. She is a dermatologist. I will link her channel down below if you want to check out her videos. But this is what I use after I use the cleansing oil, and this combo right here is pretty good at removing your makeup. I really like this cleanser. It's super gentle, cleanses well, doesn't strip your skin. It doesn't smell like anything. It's just a nice, simple foaming cleanser. So that is it of the face stuff that I bought. But next from Amazon, I got this. This is just a 5-pack of 26-ounce meal prep containers. Just something for me to put my lunches in when I go to class. And that's it from Amazon. Now moving on to what I got from TJ Maxx. I had been wanting these for a while, and I really hoped that my TJ Maxx had them. And they did! These are the Giovanni shampoo and conditioner, and the shampoo is the Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Shampoo. This is a gentle clarifying shampoo, and I've already used it a couple times. I really do enjoy this. It sets up really good, and it's good at cleansing my oily, freaking greasy scalp. Next is the 50-50 Balance Hydrating Calming Conditioner. This conditioner is really milky. It like sticks to your hair really well, and it's really moisturizing, and I've also really enjoyed this conditioner. Alright, we have almost come to the end of the haul, but I have one more item that I might be the most excited about. I got myself a NUTRIBULLET Pro. I love smoothies, and I like blenders, so I bought myself a new blender. Got this NUTRIBULLET off the NUTRIBULLET website, and I got a 20% off code. Not for you guys. NUTRIBULLET, please sponsor me, because then could get a code for you, but not right now. I got the NUTRIBULLET Pro exclusive, and it is white and black, and all of the lids are black, so it matches this theme right here. It came with two 32-ounce cups, 2 of these to-go lids, and then 2 of the handle lids, and 2 of the regular cap lids. I think I've already made 5 smoothies and I've only had it for like 3 days or something like that. I love this blender. It blends really well. I made 2 frappes yesterday. Yeah, 2 frappes. 2 32-ounce frappes, and I drank them. I was up all night. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me spend too much money, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss a post. I post Tuesdays and Fridays at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, so keep up, okay? Alright, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Okay, bye.